Weekly Wisdom. Why we don't guarantee your results, and what we do instead. If someone promises to guarantee your revenue in a complex business, my honest advice is be cautious. There's a reason we don't guarantee specific results, and it's not because we lack confidence. It's because we take both complexity and trust seriously. In your business, there are variables no outside advisor will ever control. Your market, your people, your execution, the timing of external shocks. To pretend otherwise, to say, sign here and I guarantee X and Y months, might be compelling marketing, but it's not honest strategy. What we can ethically stand behind is the rigor of our thinking, the quality of the structure we help you build, and the integrity with which we walk through the engagement. The burned owner I worked with, an owner who had already bought the guaranteed solution. He got the binder, the workshop, the big promises. 6 months later, the binder collected dust, the team was confused, and he felt like he'd paid for theater, not transformation. When we sat down, I didn't start with, "This time it will definitely work." I started by understanding his reality, and then drawing clear lines around what I would and would not promise. I refused to guarantee numbers I couldn't control. Instead, I committed to a way of working together that was transparent, constrained, and grounded in his context. Designing for real lives. That's also why we design engagements around the actual lives of owners and leadership teams. We build fewer, more focused priorities. We respect the fact that your calendar is already full. We clarify who needs to be involved so the work doesn't silently land on the same shoulders that are already overwhelmed. Trust is built when expectations are clear, constraints are honored, and you can see exactly how the work will fit into your real world, not an idealized one. So no, we won't guarantee your revenue. We will guarantee how we show up, the rigor of the structure we build with you, and our commitment to designing plans your real life can actually run. Want to learn more? Subscribe to my Elevate Your Business YouTube channel with Ed Jarecki. Scan QR code in the corner to learn more.